Alright guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel or to another video. Check it out. No more V8 Nations truck. I still have it though, but look at it. Ooh, son. Jeez. Look at it out here. Sheesh. Alright, son. This is the front facing camera, so clean ass work. And there's my Mitsubishi over there. Damn, look at this paint. Truck right here. Okay, let's head out. Boom. V8 Nations truck is already done. I just took it over to, give it a real quick rinse, take off all the dust. It had a little bit of, polishing compound, so just trying to take that off. And the last few pieces that I painted on my last video were the headlights and parking lights. I just re-cleared them and they look really nice. The front also has the fender flares that were on one of my last projects. I replaced some new fender flares and these stayed behind, so I just painted them and put them on here. Like in front I have the fender flares and the back has the quad steer bed. Just show you. I'll show you the paint right here with the front facing camera. Yeah, there's a couple of swirl marks, but I just washed it and I was doing it with the microfiber towel. One of the things that I use is the Meguiar's. I think it's like the ultimate quick wax or something like that, but it's for black paint. So those black colors, it just leaves them way darker. So I like it. You just spray it on microfiber, just wipe it, it'll haze up, and then you just dry it with a clean one, and it leaves it really nice, smooth, and the color is just really dark. So I already posted some pictures on Instagram, and I'm not sure about the YouTube community post, but I posted some pictures. Angel saw that it's already done, and I told him to drop by, so we'll see if he comes over today or maybe tomorrow, Monday. But yep, it was quite an experience. I do want to thank a few people. Like, for starters, I want to thank is this Angel? Is this Angel? Oh, let's see. I'm not sure if that's Angel or not, but he has the glasses. And flip the camera.
been a while, man. I really don't know how to feel about this. Buddy.
Yeah, I think they're right there in the center console. I've done it many times. Like I like hearing that, you know, you're excited about it. You know, to me, like I painted, like every paint job is a challenge, you know, like because it's different colors or different materials or whatever. But this one, seeing the transformation from like, you know, the way it came into like right now, you could, you know, see it's a drastic change. It's a big difference.
Dude, I don't even know how to feel about it. It's too much going on.
That's your truck, bro. That is your truck. But yeah, I mean, the license plate aquí está atrás.
Oh yeah, I'm not
yeah.
On, dude.
I found this one on the front passenger side, the little thing. It's missing one of these.
Oh,
I mean, it has it, pero está fundido, so like a blinker, I think, to that side.
Oh, okay.
Ahorita we can change it out if you want.
Yeah, I'll check all that stuff when I get to the house.
Está bueno.
Doesn't even have placas anymore, they're expired.
Yeah. Nomás se lo puse.
Hey man, it's better than without it, you know, it's just for now.
Yeah.
Safe. I need to find these plastics also. There's a bunch of little things I need to get out of the way.
Yeah. Como quiera, there it is. I think I fixed everything. Like, you go through it como quiera, wey. The thanks to suffice, way, and that's it, bro.
You got all the insides, everything, all the little panels, everything.
Yeah, like door jams and like behind the cab, behind the bed, like or in front of the bed, all that.
So that way nobody can see the other color, you know.
Yeah. Aquí en la bed, you know, I did the outside of the tailgate, but the inside, you know, like
but, I mean,
I wasn't sure if you were gonna throw some liner.
Put some rhino in there, so
yeah.
It's not gonna matter, and if these are gonna have a plastic on there.
Yeah, right
as
here.
As long as they don't see like, you know, you can cover
from
it up
here,
to like around right here. So.
Yeah, I think la pinté pa acá, pero aquí plastic, and then once you paint it from the inside, you know, with the liner, it's all gonna be solid, man. Even the roof, check out the roof, también, like it's all nice and solid.
I'm just scared of washing it. I might end up doing swirls and stuff.
You're gonna end up like, you know, like practicing like with the quick waxes or like wax, those are gonna be your friends for, yeah, like if you wash it, you know, just a microfiber, I mean a wash mitt, nomás así en el calmadón, and don't let it get like too muddy.
Oh, okay,
like the car, don't get it too like you know, rocks of mud or anything like that. That'll scratch it. If you can look up like 2-3 bucket challenge, not a challenge, but like two bucket like washing.
So you have one to take off the dirt, and then one to rinse it, or
yeah, one is soap, one is clean water. So you just rinse it with the clean water, and then dip it in the soap, and then another wash. At the end, just dry it. Microfiber towels, just drop it, and you know, bring it towards you. Take up all the water, and that quick wax. Si quieres llévate esto, güey. I just better leave it. Take this one.
Are you sure, dude?
Yeah. I got another one, or I can get some more. It doesn't matter.
So you spray muscle metals in an area, and then until it gets hazy, and then you get another one.
Yeah, just go small pieces. Just spray it, just wipe it, make sure it's like you spread it around, and then just dry it. I mean, yeah, it turns hazy, but just wipe it clean with a microfiber.
When I was on my way over here, I was talking to the camera, and then out of nowhere, I just screamed like, oh, fuck. I just do it on purpose. I just
It's ready.
hold it, dude.
Yeah, some people are like on my channel, the man, they're already like
Look at that,
waiting
dude.
for it.
From this angle, I just need to get the spacer in the front wheels, so that way it gives it that really wide look, dude.
Yeah.
Like, oh
And now with the
my
fender
God.
flares, the tires
Exactly,
chuck
dude.
just a little bit. But it looks
So
wide. It looks
cool, dude.
wide.
That's why, dude. It's freaking crazy.
Yeah, it's hella clean, bro. You got a clean truck now.
The only problem is the speed bumps.
Yeah.
Dude, you have no idea how much you picked up my game, my truck game, dude. Just freaking.
Ahorita, before you leave, I'll give you a decal. You're gonna support
I wanted to slap it on you, dude.
Awesome, bro. Ahorita we'll set it up.
We gotta slap that on for our current biggest sponsor right here, Mr. GT's Performance. When I get to the house, I'll find a spot to throw it in. But
Yeah.
you're pretty much the biggest sponsor I know. Or the only sponsor right now. Besides the lights, but the lights don't count.
Yeah, it's just clear on the headlights. But I mean, my man Jeff from Auto Paint HQ is the one that sponsored the paint. So it's like, to me, I give the thanks to Jeff, man.
I'm sorry.
Go for it. So yeah, huge thanks to Jeff for from Auto Paint HQ for sponsoring the paint right here at my buddy's V8 Nation on my buddy's truck. Huge thanks. Really beautiful colors, as you guys can see. It has a bit of dust already, but it's black. It's really beautiful. I'll throw in some pictures of some of the damage that it had, like on the hood. I think on the side it had some damage. Even the back bed was broken. That right there was broke. Smooth. Right here, his license plate and that little handle, he'll get it. The tail lights are connected. Right here, all these little side markers are connected. Everything is done. Angel's right there, already ready to pick up the truck. So I want to thank you guys for tuning in, watching the build. Huge thanks also to Angel for, you know, it takes some time, you know, to paint, and he was being really patient, so I appreciate that. Also, once again, thanks to Jeff from Auto Paint HQ. If you guys need some paints, quality paints, really nice prices, like cheap prices, autopainthq.com. I'll leave it in the description so you guys can check them out. So pause it right here.